Have you ever wondered if the world of gardening could get any more exciting? What if you could have a landscape that's not just beautiful, but also edible? Welcome to the concept of edible landscaping. This innovative approach merges the worlds of gardening and cooking, transforming your ordinary garden into a sustainable and productive space. It's about growing food in such a way that it's not only nourishing, but also pleasing to the eye. Imagine stepping out into your garden and picking fresh ingredients for your dinner. That's the magic of edible landscaping. But it's not just about the convenience of having food at your doorstep. There's more to edible landscaping than meets the eye. It's a powerful tool for reducing your carbon footprint. Instead of driving to the store for produce, you can simply step outside. It's a step towards sustainable living. Edible landscaping also promotes healthier eating habits. When you grow your own food, you're more likely to eat a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Plus, you'll save money on groceries. And let's not forget the fun aspect. It's an engaging hobby that brings productivity and joy. You'll find satisfaction in nurturing plants, watching them grow, and finally, harvesting your own food. With edible landscaping, you're not just growing plants, you're cultivating a lifestyle. Intrigued? You might be thinking, how do I start my edible landscape? Well, it's simpler than you'd imagine. First, choose plants that not only look good, but also offer delicious rewards. Think about berries, herbs, vegetables, or even edible flowers. Next, understand your garden's layout. Consider sunlight, soil type, and water availability. Combining these elements will guide your design. Remember, it's about creating harmony between beauty and utility. With a bit of planning and creativity, you can turn your garden into a feast for the senses. Edible landscaping is a journey, an adventure into the world of gardening and gastronomy. It's about nourishing the body, satisfying the palate, and beautifying the surroundings. If you found this video interesting and want to learn more, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's grow together in this exciting journey of edible landscaping.